Today we are in Umdengpo village, which is 32 kilometers from Shillong. And as you can see in the back, we have cooked quite a lot of dishes with the ingredients that we found. And as a chef, I felt today I had more ingredients to work with, and the resources that they had quite a lot of vegetables. They had squash, they had sweet potato, they had jamardo, they had chives, which are all locally sourced from here. So it was very interesting, and I was able to produce more recipes. So all in all, total we did 12 recipes, and I have seen that visiting the 4 villages that I have visited in this past 4 days, I have seen that each and every village has their own story to tell in terms of the ingredients. So we were showing the community about the importance of presentation, plating, just cooking the dish and just putting in a plate. It's not the meaning, but to put it in a plate with more presentation, more finesse, so that because they will be using this as a tool for cooking further. So I wish, and it was a very fun working with the community, and I would love to come back again and work with more communities and share the knowledge that I have.
Entah ke ega kam kat bengi pak kat sebengi lej di pak bi nak klasten saneng kat bengi yok apkom belej training eru ki ong bi daga klasten saneng de long ni ne na senong i hamduna kita ki klasten strong na bentang na jeng ai training jong phi ser ba ni kwa knang ba nang ne sakmat nang ba lagi nak sama ba kin kham kiu su su ba ngin yo jeng mentoy na bentai nak samla ki badang sadin
kacing wan hikai chong i ba na nakalan nilayo jeng mentoy sibun ladadon kacing thawai kanu nyem don kam ban pendon kam dakido sibun ngila ban pendon kam dakine kicur ki jeng thung chongi ki badon hang ne hasnong chongi ki bangitung bangila ban thung hi buon ki jeng set ki babang ki basngau tanat bat ki bayo jeng mentoy ya ki khuon ki siu chongi kum ucaot jamardo te tuka do ru babang ki toki pathau baset pen i dakasep ni bang bha gitu